Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a chit chat. Get ready with me. So if you're interested, keep on watching. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Alright, let's hop right into it. So I'm super excited about today's video. I haven't done a chit chat get ready with me in forever. So it's been a while and I feel like I haven't filmed in forever either because it's been a lot going on. And a lot of my videos have been pre-recorded. You know, I don't like to go like weeks without posting a video, so I do pre-record pretty often. But yeah, I'm just gonna be like updating you on everything that's been going on in my life because so much has been happening. So yeah, I am gonna be using the Deck of Scarlet palette today. I just got this palette in the mail and oh my gosh, the colors are gorgeous. I think it's a collaboration. Yeah, it is a collaboration with Kim Tai. So if you follow her on Instagram or YouTube, she like does amazing makeup tutorials.
Deck of Scarlet is a makeup subscription, and every 2 months you get a new makeup palette with all new products so you can do your full face with makeup. This season comes with 3 eyeshadows, blush, highlighter, 2 lip colors, and Deck of Scarlet's first ever lip gloss. Click the link in the description box where you can get 30% off this edition of Deck of Scarlet.
I'm not a makeup artist or a makeup guru, and I barely make makeup videos, but I always get people asking me to do makeup videos on YouTube, and I'm just like, girl, like I do the same makeup every single time. What's been going on with me? I'm so bad at doing like chit chat type of videos where I have to like do my makeup or do my hair because I always just like I just start talking and don't know how to stop, and I'm like nowhere near finished with my makeup. Oh yeah, everything that I use today on my face will be linked down below in the description box. So if you're interested in knowing like any of the products that I use, it will be down below in the description. So much has been happening. This week has been pretty crazy. Like I've been so like exhausted this week. I haven't really been able to like film much or do anything. Like most of my videos that I've posted has been pre-recorded, and I do like to pre-record like not a lot, but like I do like to pre-record some videos so I can have, you know, content on my channel, and I don't like to go weeks without posting a video. So yeah, this week has just been crazy. My mom has been like in and out of the hospital, and I've just been like trying to be there for her, and it's just been like a lot going on in my family life. Like basically none of my foundations that I usually use have been working. Like all of them look like super orange on me. This one is Dior Air Flash in the color 501, and this used to be like super light on me, but I guess I got lighter in the winter, so this is like the only foundation that works for me right now. But yeah, like I was saying, my mom has been like in and out of the hospital, so basically my main priority was to be there for my mother. And her situation was kind of scary at first because she does have a history of aneurysm, and when I was younger, when I was about like 12 years old, she had her first aneurysm, and that was like so scary to me. Like she was she had to take off like months and months of work. She got it clipped and everything ended up being okay, so that aneurysm is clipped. But every time like she goes to the hospital for like the same symptoms, I get like really scared. So like the thing about that was like she couldn't really walk because like of the dizziness. So like the room was spinning, and like it was just like a scary situation. But the doctors did end up diagnosing it as vertigo. So that's what it was. That was the cause, and it wasn't nothing serious. Like it wasn't like another aneurysm or anything like that. So that's really good. But I bring this all up because I think it's necessary for us to have those deep conversations, because when I was in the hospital in the emergency room with my mother, she was basically like telling me everything that I need to do just in case like something like serious would happen, like if something serious were to happen to her, like if she passed away, because aneurysms are very serious. Like you can die from an aneurysm. She basically was like telling me like what to do as far as like funeral costs, what to do with like the estate, what to do. Like she doesn't, I don't think she have a will or anything like that, but like she was really like breaking it down to me, And I was like, wow, if my mom would have never like told me any of this stuff, like I would pretty much be lost. Like it's just me and her, and my sister lived in Atlanta. She lives in Atlanta, so she had to like fly up this week because she was really concerned. So it's a lot to handle if in a situation like that. It is kind of hard, like, because you never want to think about, you know, one of your parents dying or passing away, but you really do need to have that conversation with them. Like, what do you want me to do? Like, what do you want? What type of burial do you want to have? Like, do you want to be cremated? Do you want to have a regular burial? There are so many different burials that you could have. Cemetery do you want to be buried at? Let's talk about the estate. Let's talk about the money situation. It's a conversation that should be had, because if you don't have the conversation, you're not going to know what to do. Like, you're going to be like in panic mode. So, yeah, I'm glad she had that conversation with me. But yeah, these past couple of months or few months have been really good to me. Like, I've learned so much, and I've been so much more happier. Like, a lot of people have noticed like how I've like changed for the better. Like, I've seemed like a lot more happy, and that has been like a priority in my life. Because I was in a situation where I was just not happy. Like, I was just like always like drama. It was a lot of drama. It was just like a lot of unnecessariness that was going on in my life for a while, and I just was not in a happy place. So I had to make it a priority to, you know, put myself first, put my happiness first, put my health first. And that is when like everything changed. And it was very difficult for me, I'm not gonna lie, like cutting people out of my life, but I had to do what I had to do, and I don't feel bad about it at all. So like, as a woman, you basically have to know your worth. Like, you cannot let anyone make you feel a type of way about yourself. Like, you have to know that you are worthy of, you know, the best in life. So that is something that I definitely had to learn, and it's really difficult. I feel as if that's something that should be taught from a young age. Like, every child, especially like little girls, like, you should teach them growing up. Like, if I have a daughter, I'm gonna have to like ingrain it into her head, like, you are worthy of the best, because people are gonna try to put you down and give you like less than what you deserve. And if someone is giving you less than what you deserve, if someone is not treating you the way you feel as if you should be treated, then they have to go. Like, they have to go. Especially like these past few months, I definitely learned people only treat you the way you allow them to treat you, and that's like what I live by now. But I know people personally who have like great relationships, and their significant other like treats them like royalty. Like, they treat them so well, and I think everybody deserves to be treated like that. Like, I was always raised to treat people how I want to be treated, and that's all good and dandy, but I never learned that, you know, just because I'm treating somebody great, like just because I'm treating someone like, you know, very well, that doesn't mean that they're gonna treat me the same way in return. So I'm like, so it took me a while to like realize that, like, I'm sitting up here waiting for someone to treat me well just because I'm treating them so well. That may not never happen because I didn't set the foundation from the start. Like the rest of these women who are treated like royalty, you know, they're treated like royalty because they don't accept the BS from the start. And if you are constantly letting things like slide, or you are accepting less than what you deserve, the other person is gonna like be like, oh, okay, well, she doesn't really, you know, like, she doesn't care, like, she's gonna stick around regardless. So once I realized my worth, and once I realized that this person is never gonna like change and be the person that I want them to be, that's when I had to like, okay, like, I really need to move on. And it took me a while, but I finally, you know, got it through my head, and things are so much better now. These colors are so pigmented. I had to learn, like, you can forgive someone and move on with your life. Like, they don't have to be a part of your life. And forgiving someone is not easy. Like, I never personally will ever think that someone is weak for forgiving someone, because it takes a lot to forgive someone who like truly hurts you. So if you want to forgive them, by all means, like, I think that you should forgive them. Like, forgiveness is the key to like moving on with your life. That doesn't mean that they you know, have to be a part of your life. They can continue on, because if they showed you like who they are, if they showed you like the disrespect or the way that they treated you, and you continue to forgive them time after time, they're not going to be like there are people out there who has hurt people, and they look at them and be like, oh my gosh, I would never ever ever hurt this person again because I see the pain that I've caused them. But most people out there, if they see that they have hurt someone and they see that this person continues to forgive them time after time after time, they're going to look at you like you're weak. They're going to continue to hurt you. And you know why? Because they can't, you know? They're going to be like, you know, I'm going to continue to do this to this girl or guy, you know, and, you know, she's going to accept it because she loves me so much, and she's going to keep on taking me back. And that's unacceptable. That's unacceptable behavior. That's intolerable. That's deplorable. Okay? That is not what's going to be putting down. So when I realized that, it was an aha moment for me. It was like, wow. When I realized that, that's when I realized, like, wow, I really do need to let go. I need to move on, you know, because people don't care. Like, they will continue to do the same old thing to you because you're allowing it to happen. But yeah, if you see somebody who is not treating you the way that you think that you deserve to be treated, the best thing that you can do is to move on, okay? But yeah, anybody who brings drama into my life, dismay, heartache, all of this stuff is unacceptable behavior. So you gotta go, okay? This person is bringing like drama to your life and causing you sadness and stuff. I just don't see the point of keeping him around, honestly. Like, I know it might be hard. Like, it was definitely hard for me. Like, I'm not perfect. I'm not just like an emotionless type of person. I know a lot of people, like a lot of my friends and stuff, they always like, oh, you're so like, you show no emotion. Like, I've been in some situations where that has like truly hurt me. But what was I saying? I'm so bad at these type of videos because I lose my train of thought, honey. But yeah, like I was saying, like, it might be hard to let that person go because of the attachment. Like, it was definitely hard for me to let this person go because, like, at that point, it was like my best friend. Like, we did everything together. So it was hard to let it go. But each day it got easier and easier. And I've just been a lot happier since. Like, when I go outside, I just be like so carefree, and I just look at the world like a lot differently, you know. And when you have like negative things in your life, it's like dark clouds over your life, and it's just like not good. Like, it's not a good situation to be in. And that's how I was for a very long time. Like, I would go outside and nobody would try to talk to me, and not that that matters, like, not that I just want to be catcalled, but it's not about that. It's about like the aura and the presence that I was putting off. Like, of course, no one is going to want to talk to me. Like, no one is going to want to say hi to me passing by in the street or whatever because I look so sad. But now, since I've been so much more happier, like, I go outside, like, all these people try to talk to me. I meet so many different people. I meet so many new people. And it's just like, wow, like, life basically can be whatever you make it to be. If you change your outlook on life, and you kind of like get rid of those negative things in your life, then you'll see a 180, and opportunities will start opening up because you're like so much more, like, you're a better version of yourself, basically. And oh, my eyelashes, what is going on here? It's like Clump City. Now, I like a little clumpy lash, but not that much clumpy lash, okay? Okay, we have blush here and highlight in this palette. So I'm gonna try a little bit of the blush. Ooh, this is very, very pigmented. This highlight is a little bit light for my skin tone. But whatever, we'll just work with it. It does come with like this cute little gloss. Pretty. I think I'm gonna just put this on. Well, there you go. The hairstyle I've been wearing a lot recently is just a bantu knot. Usually 4. Yeah, I usually like to make it 4 because that makes the curls not too loose but not too tight. It's just like the perfect amount of curl. And I usually do this on like stretched hair, like blow dried stretched hair, and yeah. And like to preserve this hairstyle is super, super easy. All you have to do is just brush out the curls and redo the bantu knots, and it's just super, super pretty. Like, look at these curls, so pretty. I love this hairstyle. But now I'm at the point where I just want to do whatever it takes to make myself happy. Like, I want to travel the world, I want to do new things. What is this car noise outside? But yeah, I just want to like travel the world, do new things, meet new people, just like enjoy my life. Definitely enjoy my summer. Like, oh, I love the summertime. Oh, this one didn't really come out as curly as I would have wanted to, but that's fine. Now, I just want to like enjoy my life, and if I meet someone, then whoop-de-doo, good, that's great. So long story short, once you realize your worth, you will never tolerate the BS, okay? All right. But yeah, so basically all I do now is just do my baby hairs, and I use the Eco Styler gel. I use the olive oil one, and I would just take like a brush like this. Yeah, and I will use the rough side, and then I will go ahead, dip that in here, and go to town. Like, yeah. I always like to pull like a little bit of this hair down. I don't know why. It's just, I think it look cute. So that is it. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you ever want me to talk about other subjects, let me know down below in the comment section. And yeah, if you're not already subscribed to me, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and hit the bell so notifications can come straight to your phone. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton. Give me a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!